Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 13, circles. We see various kind of shapes around us. You can see here that it is a rectangle, triangle and square. Okay. Now these are the plane figures. And what do you observe? These are made up with the help of line segments. Now, can you tell me any plane figure which does not use any line segment? Okay, I tell you. It's a circle. See, it's a plane figure and it is not made up of any line segment. We can see many circular things in our day-to-day life. You can see here wheel, circular table, CD, bangles, ring, coin. These are the things which represent circle in one form or the other. Now we will learn more about circles. First of all, we will learn about elements of a circle. See, I have cut a circle from paper, and if I fold it in such a manner that I have got half of circle, then this part is called, each half of circle is called semicircle. Now if I again fold it, then what do I get? I get quarter of a circle. And if I open it, then I will get a point O where the two folds meet each other, and this point O is called center of the circle. O is called center of the circle. Now we will learn about radius of a circle. Radius of a circle. Look at the circle given here. O is the center and Q, P and R. These are the points on the circle. Now I have joined O to Q, O to P and O to R. And these line segments are called the radius of the circle. So radius is a line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the circle. A circle can have many radii, and if we measure them, we will find that radius of a circle are of equal length. OP will be equal to OQ and that will be equal to OR. Next is diameter of a circle. Diameter is a line segment whose end points lie on the circle and which passes through center of the circle. A circle can have many diameters, and if we measure, then we will see that these diameters are of equal length. You can see here diameters. Diameter AB, it will be equal to diameter CD and that will be equal to diameter EF. Now, what do you observe? Relation between radius and diameter of a circle. You can see that diameter is double of radius and radius is half of diameter. So what is the relation between radius and diameter of a circle? Diameter is equal to double of radius and radius is equal to half of diameter. Next is chord of a circle. In the given circle, a chord is a line segment whose end points lie on the circle. जिसके end points है वो circle के ऊपर होने चाहिए. We can draw many chords and all chords are not of equal length. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो बेटे, QR is not equal to AB and it is not equal to CD. And जो chords है ना, they may or may not pass through center of circle. Diameter के लिए क्या है? For diameter must pass through the center of circle. पर chord में, diameter और chord में यही difference है कि diameter ने circle में से pass होना ही है और जो chord है that may or may not pass from center of the circle. डायामीटर इज अ कॉर्ड, डायामीटर एक कॉर्ड ही तो है क्योंकि इसके जो दोनों एंड पॉइंट्स हैं वो सर्कल के ऊपर लाई करते हैं. सो डायामीटर इज अ कॉर्ड विच passes थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल, and you can see that diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Then comes arc of the circle. What is arc of the circle? Arc is a part of circle and it can be of any size. ये किसी भी size की हो सकती है. Arc can be small, arc can be big. And when we name the arc of a circle, we write two endpoints and then any point between them, and here it is arc ABC. Now look at the arc PQR. आप देखिए बेटा, ये सर्कल का हाफ पार्ट है. आर्क PQR इज हाफ ऑफ सर्कल and it is called semicircle. Next is circumference of a circle. Perimeter of a circle is called circumference. आप देखिए बेटा, if we take a thread along the boundary of a circle, और जैसे कि जहाँ अगर हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं थ्रेड को रखना और उसके बाद पेरीमीटर विल बी व्हेन वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट. अगर हम एक थ्रेड से इसको रैप करना शुरू करें और थ्रेड दोबारा से जब उसी पॉइंट पर आ जाता है, देन वी गेट द लेंथ ऑफ द सर्कल और पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल and it is given the name of circumference. So perimeter of a circle is called the circumference of the circle. Now all of you note down these terms on your notebooks and then we will solve worksheet 1.